Hey guys, this is how to create custom photo frames in Canva. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply create a frame. So let's say I'm gonna go for elements. And from here, let's say I'm gonna go for couple over here. And I'm gonna go for graphics and see all. Let's say we're gonna make this a frame. And now guys, just simply go ahead and click on share and download it. And the file type will be PNG and download. And once it is done downloading, just simply go to photop.com, guys, and just simply drag the picture over here. And now from here, just click on this magic wand and just simply click on the frame. And after that, just simply delete it. So guys, just simply tap delete on your keyboard to delete it. And after that, just simply go to file and go to export as and go to PNG. So click on save, guys. And after that, just simply go ahead and go back to Canva. And from here, just simply go ahead and select a background that you like. So let's say I'm gonna go for background. Let's say I'm gonna go for this one, for example, guys. And now just simply go ahead and go for the downloaded picture and just simply upload it into Canva and just simply add it. And from here, guys, as you can see, we have created our own personal photo frame and just simply reframe it to whatever you like. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.